Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Having a nice breakfast should be everyone's priority. Hello, my name is Himanshi and in this video I am sharing my favorite breakfast recipes. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please press the subscribe button. Hit that bell icon for the latest notifications whenever I upload a new video. With that, let's get started. Starting with poha, after discovering it a few years ago, it has been a constant breakfast and it's healthy and fulfilling. Then comes Suji Chila, which I won't mind to have in lunch or as a snack. Change the veggies or the masalas, you can do so many variations with it. Third one is a guilty breakfast, our desi style macaroni with some cheese. Who wouldn't like to have it? It can be made once or twice in a 2 week. Here's a recipe for Suji Chila. I've taken a capsicum, half onion and a tomato. Finely chop them. In a mixing bowl, take 3/4 cup of rava or suji. To it add 4 to 5 tablespoons of curd. Mix it. Add salt, garam masala, oregano, chaat masala and meat masala. By adding water gradually, keep mixing it. Add veggies and again mix it. Set aside for 15 minutes and your batter is ready. Take a tawa, grease it with oil and pour a ladle full of batter onto it. Spread it evenly with soft hands and make it as big as you would like. Cover it with a lid and keep checking it in between. Flip it and cook it from both the sides. Similarly, make another one and do the same process. And it's ready to serve. It tastes amazing. Have it with ketchup or green chutney. Next recipe is of poha. Take a potato and a half onion. Slice the potato thinly and chop the onions. In a kadhai, add oil. To it, add turmeric powder and add sliced potatoes. Add in a pinch of salt and saute it for a few seconds. Check if they are done and take them out in a bowl. In the next step, take a full bowl of poha and add water to it. Mix the poha and in about 30 seconds take them out from the water by straining it like this. Now to this poha add turmeric powder, salt, and a little sugar. Toss it like this, or you can use spoon, but make sure that there isn't a lump of poha or it doesn't become mushy. Take a kadhai, add oil, add in a few kadhi patta and mustard seeds. Wait for the mustard seeds to crackle and then add your onions. Fry it for a while and add your cooked potatoes. Or you can just skip the potatoes and simply add poha to it. Mix it with soft hands and serve it. We have already added salt, but you can taste it and add salt according to your taste. It's finally ready to serve. If you follow the same process, your poha is going to turn out just like this, and it will taste amazing. Let's start with the recipe of macaroni. In a kadhai, add a cup of macaroni and add water. Add a little salt and let it boil for 5 to 8 minutes. Simultaneously take another vessel of your choice and add tomatoes in water. Cover it with a lid. Chop onions and garlic cloves like this. Here the macaroni is done. Cook it 80% so that we are also going to cook it once again. Tomatoes are done. Peel the tomatoes and grind them in a mixie grinder. For the tadka, in a kadhai add oil, add garlic and saute it for 2 minutes. After the garlic is done, add the chopped onions. Add the tomato puree. Add black pepper powder, oregano, red chili flakes and give it a mix. Add about 6 to 7 tablespoons of water. Add red chili powder and turmeric powder. And do not forget to add the salt. Add in the boiled macaroni and give it a mix. I have not added ketchup, but you can add it. Add 2 tablespoons of ketchup if you want. Add cheese or don't, it's up to you. And give it all a mix, it's ready to serve. I just had it today in the breakfast and I'm watching it again and it makes me nostalgic. It turned out just amazing. So, let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite recipe and when are you trying it at home. I will come back with a new video. Till then, bye bye.